Before you watch this video, subscribe now. My first customer wants me to perform an under-chassis repair. This is a 1994 Toyota Corolla, also known as Big Body here in the Philippines. I will create a playlist for this repair series. The videos will be separated according to specific parts, which means I will provide each video for each parts. My customer bought all the parts needed for the job, and I will repair and create this series to help everyone in their car problems. When I drove the car, the steering wheel is heavy, which is an indication of a busted shock absorber. The car has an unequal turn of steering and it feels a bit loose. This will be the list of repairs for this car. Replace front control arms, replace all shock absorbers and mountings, replace rear stabilizer links, replace all engine support. Unfortunately, our camera broke when we are about to replace the fourth engine support, which is the rear engine support. Replace outer tie rods because the inner tie rod or the rack end is still in good condition. So there you have it. Stay tuned as always. Subscribe now for more videos and don't forget to click the bell to keep you updated. Thank you very much and God bless.